Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Advanced CSS / SCSS tab. You'll identify the element that you want to change, right click and click on Inspect. This is the process to identify the CSS element and just test what you want to do. So here's the element that we want to inspect. So you'll go to this plus button and you can then add and change what you would like to change. So let's, for example, update the font size to be 30 pixels and you'll see it updates right here. That doesn't quite work for me. Let's try 10. There you go. And then you can just select. Oh, that's going to select too much. Be careful with what you select. And then you can add that by going to the colors section. We will explain these settings to you in another video, but you'll go to this advanced tab and you will be able to add your code over there. Click on save. And then you'll see the changes. There you go.